Welcome to All About Gate. In this video, we are going to solve the problem on inductance. This is the gate problem we are solving now, and the problem is two coils in differential connections have self-inductance of 2 millihenry and 4 millihenry and a mutual inductance of 0.15 millihenry. The equivalent inductance of the combination is. So here they have given the value of L1, that is 2 millihenry, and L2, that is 4 millihenry, and even they have given the value of mutual inductance 0.5 millihenry, and they have asked to find the equivalent, that is L equivalent. So we have two formulas to calculate the equivalent inductance based on dot conversions. So the first formula for calculating L equivalent is L1 plus L2 minus 2M, and the second formula is L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So let's apply these values in both the formulas. Here if we apply the value for this formula, we will get 2 plus 4 minus 2 into 0.15, and here 2 plus 4 minus 2 into 0.15. Here we will get 6 minus 0.3. Here we will get 6 plus 0.3. Here the value is 6 minus 0.3 is 5.7 millihenry. Here we will get here 6.3, that is 6.3 millihenry. Here we are getting two values, that is 5.7 and 6.3. Both the values are correct, but in the option 5.7 millihenry is there, so we will take this as the correct option. And now the second question is, when two coupled coils of equal self-inductance are connected in series in one way, the net inductance is 12 millihenry, and when they are connected in the other way, the net inductance will be 4 millihenry. The maximum value of the net inductance when they are connected in parallel. Here they have given the data as two self-inductance. So the value of L1 is equal to value of L2, which is equal to L. So the individual values of both the inductors are same. Here what they are asking is, we have to calculate the net inductance, that is maximum net value of the net inductance when they are connected in parallel. So why they have given the word as maximum means, even we have two formulas to calculate the equivalent inductance in the parallel, that is L equivalent is equal to L1 L2 minus M square divided by L1 plus L2 plus 2M, and the second formula is L equivalent is equal to L1 L2 minus M square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. We'll get correct answer in both the formulas. So we want to find in which formula we are getting the maximum value. So to find here we want the value of L1 and L2 and even the value of M. So how we have to find the value of L1 and L2 and M is, here in the question they have given that the self-inductance are, so two coils are equal self-inductance connected in series in one way. When it is connected in the one way, the net inductance is 12 millihenry. So let us consider that one way is L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. So the L1 is equal to L2. So this will be 2L plus 2M is equal to, so in the first way it is 12 millihenry. 12. Let us consider this as equation number 1. So the next other way of calculating the equivalent inductance in the series is L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So 2L minus 2M is equal to, here what they have given, they are connected in the other way, the net inductance will be 4 millihenry. Let us consider if it is connected in the this way, the net inductance will be 12 millihenry. If it is connected in the this way, the net inductance will be 4 millihenry. Consider this is equation 2. So if we equate equation 1 and 2, we'll get 4L is equal to 16. So L is equal to 16 by 4, that is 4. We have got the value of L. Now we have to find the value of M. So now we know the value of L, that is L is equal to 4. We'll substitute this in this formula, that is 2L plus 2M is equal to 12. So value of L is 4, the 4 2s are 8, plus 2M is equal to 12. The M is 12 minus 8 divided by 2. That is 12 minus 8 is 4 divided by 2. The value of M is 2. Now we have know the value of 4 and we have know the value of 2. Now we'll substitute in both the formulas and we'll see in which formula the value of equivalent is maximum. So if we substitute in the first formula, that is L equivalent is equal to, the value of L is 4, that is 4 into 4 is 16 minus M. So the given M is 2, that is 2 2s are 4 divided by L1 plus L2, that is 8 plus 2 into 2, it is 4, that is equal to, here 16 minus 4 is 12 and 8 plus 4 is 12. Here we are getting 1 millihenry as an equivalent if we substitute in this formula. So let us substitute in the second formula, that is L equivalent is equal to L1 plus L2, that is 16 minus 4 divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. So L1 plus L2 is 8 minus 4. So here we are getting 12 divided by 4. So the answer is 3 millihenry. So in both the formulas, we are getting the maximum value of 3 millihenry. So here the option is, the correct option is option 3 is the right answer for this question.